I mixed coffee with acetone and surprised everyone with the result. Okay guys, to start this tip in a container, I will add 4 tablespoons of coffee. You can even use the coffee left over from your breakfast. The second item that we will use in this tip is acetone. Only 2 tablespoons are enough for this mixture, and the ideal now is to mix very well. Acetone is one of the most suitable items for removing burn marks and pots, and only the small amount mixed with coffee will act directly on the aluminum and removing stains easily. To finish the mixture, the last item I will use is the detergent, and the ideal amount for the tip is 4 tablespoons. The detergent is the most used item in the cleaning of kitchen utensils. Here in this mixture, it adds even more with the use of acetone and coffee. Ideally, mix well until all ingredients are diluted. I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, thus avoiding the evaporation of acetone and also the waste of the mixture. The ideal is also to use a funnel, not to waste a bit of the mixture, and with this is already ready for use. Just the small amount is enough to clean your pot several times. I am sure you will be surprised by the use of this mixture being different from any product that is used until today for the removal of stains. This mixture can also be used in molds and other items in your kitchen. Easily you can remove any dirt and stains from the pots if necessary. You can even use steel sponge to remove the coarser dirt only in the application of the product without at least rubbing. We can already remove much of the dirt contained in the pan. Tell me if you have used coffee for cleaning in your home. Here it is, the item that enhances the other ingredients. We should only be careful with the use of this mixture for your type of pan. This mixture is fully suitable for removing stains mainly on aluminum. I have to inform you that mixing coffee with acetone and detergent for cleaning purposes is not recommended for all everything. Okay guys, I am sure you will thank me for this simple and effective tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye!